Today I share with you how to grate fish without oven in professional way. Hello sweetie, welcome back. Let's show how this is being done. This is going to be your favorite. To begin guys, I'm going to rush down to fish market. So this is me in the fish market. I get this amazing fish. So after cleaning up guys, over here I have the fish at home. At this point, I'm done marinating the fish for 1 hour. So over here I have frying pot, so I'll add the oil that will enable me to get that fry. I make use of just 1 liter. Then add the onions for flavor, add in the fish inside the hot oil and get that fry. At this point, you don't have to bother yourself when you don't have oven to get your fish toast. You are going to love it when you follow this process, and you have to share so you can follow this process. What I do now is to be using this spoon to pour oil on top of the fish. I will just keep on the process until the fish is nice like this. This is 10 minutes later of frying the fish. All I do now is to bring that out from the hot oil. So what I do is just transfer it inside this bowl and keep that aside. So this is it. It fries so nice. Still working with the same pan, I just reduce the oil. Over here I have hot pepper, coriander, onions. I'm going to blend together. So after blending that, I have something like this. Then add that inside the pan and get that fry. Remember guys, I reduce the oil. So now I'm going to season the sauce. Add the salt to taste, then stir together. The same seasoning I use is the same seasoning I use to get the fish marinade. So that is Maggi seasoning, fish seasoning, and ginger garlic seasoning. So I get that fry like this. After frying, it was so nice. It fries so amazing. All I do now is to add in this chopped onions. So over here I have just one chopped onions and then stir together. So what I do now after stirring, I'm going to take a plate and then get the sauce reduced. So this is how I get it done. Just take like 3 spoons and keep it aside. So now I'm going to transfer the fish on top of this sauce. So guys, look at that. So now I'm going to turn the remaining sauce on top of the fish like this. Have you shared this video? You go miss some more if you not share am. So you have to share so that you not go miss am. You have to try this by yourself. I covered that so that it will do the final job guys. At this point it has stir fry, like cook and fry. So that is what it's doing at this point. You don't need to add water, nothing. You are going to get it done like this. At this point, the fish has cooked. The same time it has fried. The sauce, everything has turned inside the fish and it was so nice. All I do now is to bring that out on top of this foil and then add in the sauce beside. Look at that. My people, you don't need to stress yourself. Share this video and go and try this fish. You are going to love it. It was so delicious and mouth-watering. Look at me. At this point, it is time for the fish to go down, guys. It was so delicious. It fries so nice and it cooks so amazing. The taste is everywhere. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So guys, this is just the best way to get your fish done. Even if you don't have oven, you're going to get your fish done like this. Look at me now. I get that enjoy with white rice. It go well for dinner. I love you guys. Try to share this video and follow this process. Look at that. Look at the fish, my people. This fish is fishing. All right, in my next one, all you got to do is to share. Try this for your family. They will appreciate you. Bye.